Welcome back to Crypto 360, your trusted source for the latest market updates. Today, we're diving into some turbulent waters, as the crypto market is reeling from fresh U.S. jobs data that has shaken investor confidence. Major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and XRP are feeling the heat, with prices tumbling anywhere between 4% and 7%. What's fueling this sudden volatility? Let's break it all down together. It's September 7th, and the crypto market is facing a rough patch. Earlier today, the U.S. released its non-farm payroll data, and the results? Not what anyone expected. Job growth fell short of Wall Street's predictions, and the unemployment rate remained stuck at 4.2%. This triggered a ripple effect not only in traditional markets, where the S&P 500 took a nosedive, but also in crypto, sending prices spiraling down. Investors are on edge, with growing fears of an impending recession. But the crypto market didn't just stumble, it also saw a surge in trading volume. We're talking about a massive jump of over 54%, now sitting around $98.3 billion. This spike in activity has left everyone wondering, is this just panic selling, or are savvy traders making their moves? Let's start with Bitcoin, which took a sharp dip, falling over 5%. As of now, it's hovering just above $53,000, after dropping as low as $52,600 earlier today. The market sentiment around Bitcoin feels bearish, and it's easy to see why. The jobs data shook confidence, and investors are responding. Not to mention, we're seeing significant outflows from Bitcoin ETFs, which doesn't exactly inspire optimism. But there's still hope on the horizon. News broke recently that Venezuela is planning to add Bitcoin to its national reserves, a move that could push adoption rates even higher. So, while today feels shaky, long-term prospects for BTC remain encouraging. Ethereum is facing even steeper losses, with its price sliding nearly 7% in the past 24 hours. It's now trading just above the $2,200 mark after hitting lows around $2,150 earlier today. Investors are clearly feeling the strain, with millions of dollars flowing out of Ethereum-based ETFs. In a move that has grabbed headlines, VanEck, a major investment firm, announced that it's pulling the plug on its Ethereum futures ETF. This decision only adds to the uncertainty surrounding Ethereum right now. Still, with a market cap north of $260 billion and strong trading activity, ETH is far from out of the game. Over to Solana, which has also taken a hit. Prices have dropped over 4%, and the coin is now trading around $125. The volatility is evident, but Solana's fundamentals remain intact. As with most of the market, today's price action is largely reactionary to macroeconomic conditions rather than something intrinsic to Solana itself. XRP, meanwhile, isn't faring much better. The coin has slipped almost 4% and is currently valued just above 52 cents. Recent large-scale transactions, including Ripple moving 100 million XRP, have sparked intrigue. Combine that with the SEC still hinting at an appeal in their lawsuit against Ripple, and you've got a lot of moving parts influencing XRP's price. Whale activity around XRP has added an air of mystery to what might be in store for the token, but for now, XRP holders are riding the same turbulent wave as the rest of the market. Even the meme coins, often immune to broader trends, have been hit hard. Dogecoin saw a substantial drop, losing about 7% of its value, while Shiba Inu also faced a similar decline. Investors are left wondering whether these fun, community-driven tokens can withstand the current storm. The sell-off didn't stop there, with coins like Pepe and Floki also slipping as the day progressed. It's a rough time for anyone holding these tokens, but history has shown meme coins can bounce back in unexpected ways, so don't count them out just yet. Interestingly, despite the market chaos, a few coins have managed to defy the odds. Starknet, for instance, surged upward with a nearly 5% increase, showing resilience even as the broader market struggled. Sui and Bonk also managed to eke out gains, though they were smaller in comparison. These pockets of green in a sea of red might seem like anomalies, but they're a reminder that the market isn't entirely one-directional, even on a day like today. But let's not sugarcoat it. some cryptos have had a really tough day. Lido DAO and DEDX saw some of the steepest drops, with both experiencing significant declines in value. Yet, even with the losses, some investors see these moments as opportunities to accumulate at lower prices, waiting for a recovery down the road. And yes, meme coins like Dogecoin and Pepe have emerged as some of the day's biggest losers. But even amidst these sharp drops, we're seeing small, tentative gains in the hourly charts. Bitcoin nudged up slightly, as did Ethereum. Could this be the start of a recovery? Only time will tell. And that wraps up today's market update. The crypto space is buzzing with uncertainty, but as we've seen before, this is part of the game. Will these prices continue to fall, or are we on the brink of a rebound? Stick with Crypto 360 to stay informed as the story unfolds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on the latest updates. Stay sharp, stay informed, and see you in the next one.